Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn off music in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to features, and just right here we're gonna open 2K bits, and as you can see here there are a lot of audio tracks which are enabled, and that's the reason why we are getting music. In order to disable them or turn off them at once, you need to press left stick, and yep, there you go, all of the audio tracks are now disabled or turned off. Now we can just get back from this and go to settings in order to do some more settings so that we'll turn off the music completely. So just here we have the section called audio presentation, and in this section we have the option called commentary volume. If you wanna decrease the commentary volume, or if you wanna just turn off the commentary volume, you can just decrease that to 0, as well as you need to decrease this PA volume to 0 so that you will not able to hear any music, and you need to set this to 0 as well, which is 2K bits menu music volume. Now at this point you have completely turned off the music from NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.